All right, everybody, Jim King back out here on our project in Blue Springs. Cody Hemme delivered some rock for the footing. We are all piered up. Concrete, I believe, has already been delivered by the looks of the mud. Yep. Let's take a look. Yep, there's concrete. King Pier holes are encased in high-strength concrete. That's 4,000 PSI, 100% cement, zero fly ash. No fly ash in our concrete. This wall here is getting ready for complete coverage of tar. The cracks have all been repaired. If you go back to our previous videos, remember the crack in the wall right here? That's totally been repaired. Now it's going to get a complete coating of commercial tar on top of the footing, all the way up to ground line here. These guys have done tremendously good work, as we always do. There's some more crack repair. Hello, amigo. Beautiful. This is engineering 101. It can't be done any neater, any safer than what it's being done. The wall is perfectly vertical. We've got wall braces, 4-inch steel H-beams. My feet are muddy. I'm not going to go inside and show that quite yet. I'll wait till everything's cleaned up. But yeah, King Piers out here in Blue Springs. For all your foundation repair needs, call us 816-521-8915. You can always go to our website, kingpiers.com. We go from job to job to job. We are well known for straightening walls. We do it very gently. We don't cause any cracks in the walls. We just gently, with hydraulics and wood support beams, we just gently push her back to vertically level. Step 1. Step 2 is piering the footings. Step 3 is the crack repair on the interior and exterior, compacted backfill. And the last step is the 4-inch steel H-beams, what they're going in right now. So picked them up yesterday. So this job, we're going to work here tomorrow, Saturday. Christmas is Monday. These guys wanted to finish this job up. We got an 18-pier job going up north. We just came from up north back to Blue Springs. Now we're going to go back north and knock out this 18-pier job. So King Piers, Blue Springs. For all your foundation repair needs, call me. I believe we are the nation's best. We prove it with these videos day in and day out. Live action. And I didn't get here in time today to witness the encasement of our piers, but everything has went just as planned. I did all the ordering. So always go to our website, kingpiers.com. Everybody have a very good Christmas on Monday, Christmas Eve. Get with your family, spread the love. Yeah, that's what it's all about, family and staying with traditions, big dinners, watching football on TV, discussions. All right, guys. King Piers, out.